Welcome to our discussion, and now we are going to tackle about the tourism and culture. At the end of this lesson, you must be able to discuss the effects of culture on travel, determine how cultural patterns are changed by internal and external forces, explain the importance of cultural tourism, and to discuss the factors which appeals to tourists and also to explain how each of these cultural factors contributed to cultural tourism. So first, let us discuss the effects of culture on travel. Culture can be defined as a set of beliefs, values, attitudes, habits, and forms of behavior that are shared by a society and are transmitted from generation to generation. Culture encompasses the shared beliefs, values, behaviors, and practices of a society, passed down from generation to generation, shaping individuals and other interactions within that society.
A knowledge of the culture of a country is important in order to understand how individuals within that country behave. By knowing these cultural elements, you can better interpret and respond to the behaviors and communication styles of individuals in that country, leading to more effective and respectful interactions. Lack of un- Lack of understanding and inability to communicate with the host can result in culture shock for tourists. Culture shock is the disorientation and stress experience when encountering an unfamiliar culture. Without cultural knowledge and communication skills, tourists may face difficulties in daily interaction and negatively impacting their travel experience.
Traveling to a foreign country can shape one's perception of its people, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of their culture. Additionally, travel often derives the demand for locally made products, contributing to economic growth in the visited destination.
In order to understand the travelers, it is necessary to understand why visitors act the way they do and be in a better position to anticipate and satisfy their needs and wants. So, understanding why travelers behave the way they do enables service providers to anticipate and meet their needs and effectively, resulting in a more satisfying and experience for the visitors.
Let's talk about the importance of cultural tourism. Cultural tourism is a meaningful travel experience that allows individuals to learn about their different cultures, their history, tradition, arts, food, music, and religion and daily life. It is leading to a deeper understanding and appreciation of the country. And the next one, tourism enhance the cultural relations and global cooperation by facilitating the exchange of culture and knowledge between the tourists and the local communities. This process promotes peace, understanding, and stronger relationship between the two countries. It is highlighting the significant role tourism play in fostering global cooperation.
Art is a diverse and multifaceted field that encompasses various forms of expression, including performing arts and fine arts. Performing arts involve live performance such as theater, dance, music, and opera. These art forms are characterized by their ephemeral nature as they are experienced in real time by an audience. Performers use their bodies, voices, and instruments to convey emotions, stories, and message to the viewers.
Music is the major source of enjoyment and satisfaction to the tourists. Tourists find music enjoyable and satisfying because it connects them with local culture, evokes emotion, creates memorable experiences, and provides relaxation during their travels. Records and tapes recordings, which the guests can buy to use in His home provide another effective means of keeping in touch with the culture of a particular country and reminder of the country's music. So, purchasing records and tape recordings allows individuals to stay connected with a country's culture and serves as a reminder of its music.
Dancing in its native or ethnic form is one of the most appealing aspects of a country's culture and can be presented as a tourist attraction. Nowadays, dance plays an important role in the modern tourism industry. The purpose of learning dance is a cultural phenomenon in the places where those dance styles were born or where they play an important national role as well as enjoying great popularity among the local community.
A handicraft, sometimes more precisely expressed as artisanal, of a wide variety of types of work where useful and de- decorative objects are made completely by one's and hands or by completely by using only simple, non-automated related tools like scissors, carving implements or hooks.
Handicraft gifts and souvenirs for sale should be manufactured in the country where purchase made. This is a typical practice in many nations to support local enterprises and ensure that the money spent on these things goes straight into the local economy. It should be made available in conveniently located shops. This is a common practice in retail to ensure that customers can simply find and purchase the things they want.
Visit the shops where handicrafts are actually being made by the craftsman is an effective form of tourist entertainment. It provides tourists with an engaging and authentic form of entertainment. It offers insights into local craftsmanship, culture, and traditions, enhancing the overall tourist experience.
Um, Industry and business. An industry is a board of clarification that encompasses multiple business. A single business can operate in any industry when a collection of individual businesses operate in a similar manners and produce similar output. They may be grouped together and clarified within the same industry.
Tourist organizations should encourage factory and processing plant tours because they provide educational and unique experiences, boost local economies, and promote transparency and sustainability. These tours help visitors learn about manufacturing processes and local industries, and while supporting businesses and creating jobs. Additionally, they build trust and showcase companies' sustainable practices.
Group works can be organized for manufacturers of a specific product who visit another country to see how the manufacturer of a similar product is accomplished. This enables them to gain insights into manufacturing processes, techniques, and innovations, fostering knowledge exchange and potential improvement of their own production methods.
When businesses or industrial groups conduct tours to other countries, it's often part of their market research and market development strategy. By physically visiting different markets and meeting with local processors, they can gain a deeper understanding of the local business environment, including cultural nuance, regulatory frameworks, and distribution channels. These tours also provide opportunities to showcase their products directly to potential buyers, distributors, and other stakeholders. This hands-on approach helps to generate
Agriculture of a country may be interesting to a large segment of tourists. A country's agriculture can fascinate many tourists. They are often interested in seeing how different foods are produced, learning about farming methods, and experiencing the rural landscape. This provides them with a unique and educational perspective on the local way of life.
Good day everyone. This is my topic is all about agriculture. In rural area, tourism service often include exposure to local agriculture, tradition, and importantly agriculture. Farmers market are significant part of this, as they allow tourists to experience local agriculture products. Firsthand, this can include a variety of items from fruits, vegetables, to handmade craft. Additionally, local tours that highlights agriculture development and service can provide tourists with deeper understanding of the country's agricultural practice and products. And that's all. Thank you.
University of a country are particularly appealing to tourists. College and university campuses appeal to tourists due to their architectural beauty, historical and cultural significance, natural landscape, and a variety of events and activities. These campuses often feature stunning buildings, museums, libraries, and gardens, offering a rich cultural and educational experience.
Educational opportunities attracted students from many countries around the world, motivating student to travel. This means that the availability and quality of education in certain institutions or region draw students from diverse international backgrounds, encourage them to relocate or travel through this place to pursue their study. This phenomenon often occurs because students seek better academic programs, resource or experience that may not be available in their home countries.
Education plays a crucial role in fostering the exchange of knowledge and expertise at international conferences organized by business and industrial associations, as well as scientific communities. These conferences provide a platform for professionals, academics, and industry experts to share insights, research findings, and best practices, contributing to the global advancement of various fields. The collaborative nature of these events promotes cross-cultural learning, encourages innovation, and nurtures partnerships that can lead to advancement in business, industry, and scientific research on a global scale. By facilitating the dissemination of knowledge and the collaboration of the stakeholders from diverse backgrounds, international conferences in these domains serve as catalysts for progress and innovation in the modern world.
This center attracts thousands of adults every year for continued education course. When a person visits another country, he or she becomes aware the type of government in operation and compares it with the government in his or her own country. It opens doors for entering education, ensuring that everyone, regardless of countries, has access to learning opportunities.
In- Interest in the language of another country is an incentive for travel. Yes, being interested in the language of another country can greatly enhance your travel experience. It allows you to connect more deeply with the culture, interact with locals in a meaningful way, and navigate your surroundings more effectively. Plus, it's a fantastic way to show respect and appreciation for the people and tradition of the place you're visiting. Most travelers like to learn the language of the country they visit. Many travelers do indeed enjoy learning the language of the country they visit. It adds a layer of cultural immersion and can make the experience more enriching and enjoyable. Plus, it can open up opportunities for deeper connection with locals and the better understanding for destination.
The literary achievements of a country form an important part of travel motivation. So, this includes books, magazines, newspaper booklets, pamphlets, and other printed literary works are significant expressions of the culture of a country. And libraries are favorite cultural institution for the tourist. Many have very good reading lounges and comfortable, attractive surroundings where visitors can enjoy reading about history, culture, arts, and folkways of their host country. Frequently, entertainment programs include the reading of poetry or the discussion of various books or other literary works as a cultural enrichment for.
Tourist promotion organizations would be rendering a great service to the scientific community by providing facilities for the exchange of scientific information, organization of scientific installations, other activities which provide scientific information to visitors. So, this means that these groups can organize seminars, workshops, and exhibits where scientists can share their findings and knowledge. They can also help in setting up laboratories or research centers that scientists can use. In this way, knowledge is expanded and tourists learn about scientific matters while they visit.
The most popular scientific attraction include Museum of Science Industry. Science and Industry Museum are attractions that promote scientific and industrial history frequently with interactive exhibits and hands-on activities for visitors of all ages. Planetarium. Planetarium provide immersive experience that replicate the night sky and teach guests about astronomy and space exploration in an engaging, interactive settings. Visits to uncommon scientific installation. Some scientific attraction one of a kind allowing visitors to witness cut-edge research and technology in action such as particles acceleration observation and research facilities.
In terms of tourism, zoos and aquariums are major attractions for both local and international visitors. They contribute to the economy by generating revenue through ticket sales, merchandise, and food services. Additionally, these facilities often host events, special exhibitions, and interactive programs that enhance the visitor experience and attract a wide audience.
On visiting centers, these included the provision of infrastructure, the development of tourist attractions and experiences, support for festivals and events, and the implementation of tourist promotion plans.
In Chapter 6 about tourism and culture, it says visiting government places makes political fans excited. Also, it mentions that lawmakers often go to other countries to see how they make laws, which help them understand different ways of doing things.
The religious pilgrimage is another motivation for travel. A religious pilgrimage is a individual's journey to a holy place or a sacred site that has great religious significance. Spiritual or religious goals typically motivate this kind of travel, such as seeking blessings, keeping a pledge, gaining spiritual merit, or strengthening one's beliefs. Many regions, including Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, and others, observe pilgrimage, which have a long part of human civilization. Many people go to the different headquarters of their church organizations and to places that are well known in the religious literature. Numerous followers of diverse faiths journey to the major or primary administrative hubs of their respective faith communities. For the religious community, these headquarters frequently have a major administrative, spiritual, and historical significance. In addition, those who follow a certain religion often visit locations mentioned in the sacred writings or custom in the addition to the headquarters. In their theological writings, these places are frequently linked to significant occasions, personality, or miracles. For examples, a Christian might visit Bethlehem, birthplace of Jesus, or the Sea of Galilee, where Jesus is said to have performed miracles. Jews might travel to Jerusalem, Western Wall,
a remnant of an ancient temple. Buddhists might visit Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha.
Visiting famous church is indeed significant incentive for travel for many people around the world. Church often hold historical and cultural significance that attract tourists and pilgrims alike. In a country like Italy, Spain, and Philippines, the tourists flock the iconic churches, such as the Basilica of St. Peter in Vatican City and the Basilica of the Black Nazareth in Manila. Visiting famous churches can provide travel with a sense of spiritual, a better understanding for local customers and belief. Travel destinations like their ability and often unique blend of spirituality, history, art, and cultural, making them must visit for travel seeking meaningful and experience.
The type of restaurant where the atmosphere is served is particularly appealing to visitors. The type of restaurant, if you're planning to open your own restaurant, there's one important question to ask yourself from the start. What type of restaurant? Determine the type of restaurant you want to open, place into your concept, your brand, and your overall business strategy. Well, outline the different kinds of restaurants so you can decide which type matches your business goals. Example, restaurant ambience is the atmosphere and overall vibe of your business. Example, the cumulative, the effect of the restaurant, like the lighting, music, layout, and the decor.
The preservation of history and the quality and management of museums are very important for the success of tourism. It says that history is very important in tourism because it preserves the past, such as tourist attractions like historical sites and artifacts, because it acts as magnets for tourists. History helps us understand the place, while preserve historical sites and museums allow tourists to understand the culture, traditions, and stories of a place. This creates a richer and more meaningful travel experience. Quality matters in history. High-quality museums with well-curated exhibits, engaging presentations, and informative displays makes history come alive. This keeps tourists engaged and wanting to learn more. In conclusion, preserving history, managing museums effectively, and creating a high-quality visitor experience all contribute to a thriving tourism industry. By safeguarding the past and making it accessible through engaging museums, destinations can attract visitors, boost their economies, and create a deeper appreciation for culture and history.
To be familiar with the history and archaeology of an area is very important travel motivation. It supports the analysis or origin of each object, place, and destination in our journey. Its purpose is to have cultural knowledge. It is important that we learn something and take it to heart in our journey because it describes the hard work of an individual in build something that benefits us today. To understand, know, and discover the roots in ourselves or the action of an individual. Therefore, it is an important motivation if we know or we will become more familiar with the history of our journey, why we want to visit a place that is attractive to us.
One of the weaknesses observed in historical museums is that the explanation of the exhibits are given in only one language. Example, the tourist wants to learn about the culture, history, and heritage of the places they are visiting. However, if the information is provided in only one language, it excludes those who do not speak that language fluently. This can lead to a
diminish experience for such as visitors, hindering their understanding and appreciation of the exhibits.
Tourists should be provided which describes the points of interest, admission fees, hours of operation, special event, and other information they need to visit international attraction.